Hi guys, today I'm going to be going over my grocery routine after I get home from the store or after I have the groceries delivered. I think it's important now with this pandemic to make sure you guys are taking extra precautions with your groceries. So the first thing I do is I bring the groceries over to that counter. I will take them all out, discard of the bags, and then give my hands a quick 20-second wash because I just touched all of that food or the boxes and the bags, and I want to make sure my hands are clean before I touch anything else. And then I will take my Lysol wipes and I will wipe out the outside of all the packages and all the food and waters and Gatorades and whatever else I bought, just to make sure that there's no germs before I put them away or unpackage them and then put them away. I then disinfect the area where all the food was just on before I meal prep, just to make sure that there are no more germs. Alright guys, so I'm going to quickly show you guys what I got from the store. I just went to Meijer at about 7:30. It is now 9 o'clock. I brought everything in, wiped all the outside packages down, and then after I run through everything with you guys, I'm going to do a little bit of food prep, nothing crazy, and then put everything away. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys. I don't know the prices of everything, honestly. I was just kind of getting what we needed. I wasn't too worried about the price. So these Powerades, I got 2 of them. These were 72 cents each or 77 cents each. And then these waters, these are the Meijer brand, Meijer brand Crystal Quenchers. This is the key lime one. These are 79 cents. I got 2 of those. I got this 10-pack of Welch's mixed fruit snacks. This medium salsa, thick and chunky. This is the Meijer brand. I got some Hillshire Farms oven roasted turkey breast meat. I got some Luna mashups. This is the lemon and blueberry, which are 2 of my favorite flavors, and I've never tried this before, so I'm interested to see if I like this. I got 2 Meijer brand instant oatmeals. This is peaches and cream. I don't like the Quaker brand anymore because they change it up, so I prefer the Meijer brand. I got 2 Honey Nut Cheerio large size cereal boxes. This is the 15.4 ounce, as well as a Kellogg's Special K Red Berry. This is an 11 ounce. I got some Tostitos scoops for, chips and salsa. I got 2 snack packs. This is the low-calorie, sugar-free one. There's 2 strawberry and 2 orange, and I got 2 packs of those. I got 2 Velveeta original shell and cheese. I got some baby carrots, some cucumbers, some Caesar salad kits. They were 2 for $5, originally $3.99, so I thought that was a good deal. I got 2 milks. I think they're about the same price, maybe like a 20-cent difference. I like this kind more. My brother likes this kind more, so I just got 1 of each. And my cat is here. Callie, what are you doing? 3 packs of strawberries. These were 3 for $5. And then I got 2 lean cuisines. These are the 5 cheese rigatoni, and this is like the only kind of lean cuisines I like. So this was everything grocery wise. I also got this like bottle brush, which I've been wanting to get for like my water bottles. I got this flash drive for my YouTube videos. I got this knife set, and then I got a wreath, an Easter wreath, because their stuff was 70% off. So I got this Easter wreath. It was originally $29.99, I think, and I got it for $8.99, which is 70% off. Sunbeam heated blanket, which I have been eyeing since like Christmas. So as you guys can see, it says it's, so originally $109, it said it was $54.99, so that's 50% off, which I thought it was a good deal in itself. But then I rung it up and it was $32.99, which is like 70% off, so I was sold, and I'm so excited to use this. And this is the king size one, so it's extra large. Alright, so now I'm going to do a little bit of food prep. I'm just going to wash all of my fruits and stuff in this bowl with some water and some cast-iron soap. I'll show you guys which one I'm using. The baby unscented one, which I think is perfect for washing fruits and vegetables. And then I'm going to take stuff out of packages, put everything away, and yeah, so let's get started. So I just added a couple drops of the soap into some room temperature water, and then I put my strawberries in there and I let them soak for just like 30 seconds, and then I just cleaned them off, like just wiped them with my fingers, and then I ended up taking like the stems off because I mean obviously I'm not going to eat those. And I mean, it does take some extra time to do this, but I think that A, it preserves your fruit, and B, it makes sure that they are all nice and clean before you eat them. And this bucket shows you just how dirty the water is. I don't know if you can see the dirt at the bottom, but it was pretty gross. So this just made me feel even better about what I was doing. So I had a couple more packages to do, and I ran through those really quick. So now that I had eaten some strawberries and put the rest away, it was time to put the rest of the groceries away. So anything that was packaged in an extra package that didn't need to be, like the fruit snacks, the Jello, the oatmeal, the Luna bars, I just took those out and then I put them away and got rid of the extra packaging because I didn't need that. I also wanted to meal prep a couple salads just so that they were easy for me to grab, because if they're not, then I definitely will not eat them. So I just washed and cut up a cucumber. I washed the lettuce, even though it says it was already pre-washed, but I'm just being extra cautious around this pandemic time. And then I also cut up some carrots and just made some 2 little pre-made salads. Nothing crazy, but it makes it so much easier for me to grab, which is definitely needed because like I said, if it's not there to grab and I have to make it, then I'm probably not going to eat it. After everything was prepared and put away, I lastly disinfected again with my Purell Multi-surface disinfectant, which I talked about a lot. So if you guys are interested, I will link another video about that up above. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.